Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to open up a PDF and then use the Kami extension that you added to your Chrome browser in order to annotate, which means to write on the document. So I'm going to open up this PDF and it gives me the option, if you have Kami installed, to open with Kami. Alright, once you open with Kami, and you want to add a text box, say to answer, once you click on it, it's going to force you to make a copy, which is going to then go into your own Google Drive. So you're going to create a copy. Once the copy is created, then you will have the ability to annotate on it. So let's say I'm going to add my text. I'll have to click on text, click here, and I can write my answer. That's clearly an answer I can figure out. All right, you can also have the option to change the color of your text. You have the option to use a highlighting tool. You have an option to underline. You can change your color. You can even change it right here. So you have all of these tools that you can use. You can even draw on your PDF. So you can use this for anything. Now the only catch is you have to make sure that when you are done with your annotations, writing on the PDF, that you save it. It does not save automatically like it does in Google. So you first of all want to make sure that you are in the right Google account, or your Lions PPG account. And please also do note that anything that has a lock next to it is an advanced feature that you would need to pay for. So I'm going to click on this little disk up here. This is how we used to save things in the olden days. And we're going to, you'll notice that you have the option to save it to Google Drive. Autosave would be a key extra feature that you would need to pay for. So we're going to click Save Now. In order to find your document, you're going to go into your Drive, and then you're going to go to your Kami Uploads. In your Kami Uploads, you're going to find the document that you just created. You would have to click the back button. Now, in order to save it someplace different, you would need to right-click on it and move it to that folder. So I went ahead and actually created a Spanish 6th grade folder, and I am going to move that document here. You'll notice it's no longer there. I'm going to go to my Drive, and I'm going to go to my Spanish 6th grade folder, and my study guide is now there.